no call from no two bancha on your day would ya. Onye na adie bia wo kwan papa so onye na adie bia basa hare so basa e be wiase na nim guase good e be wiase na nim guase ankasa ye de aka no aduana bade enti na meka sa na nado danko akufu ado oye announcement on agenda 111 no on 17th oye announcement no I think say in 20 report wa city a newsroom or say agenda 11 hospitals to be constructed in 18 months. Report to 17th August 2021. 17th August 2021 no. 17th August 2021 no. Adriana ba ebesi a year ending 2022 ho baby. Adriana ma 18 months a twem. 18 months no man panyina Kufuado say 111 hospital ni be completed no. Afi ba akwaye dey abeda so. Hospital ba akokra yen complete ye. Obi anka say yen complete ni nyina wo. Hospital ba akokra yen complete ye. Enti the obi besra busa ne say what went into that announcement na o mampanyina Kufuado ebeye ye no. It confirms impulsiveness ne ahopepere ade bia o mampanyina Kufuado de ya ade a na ebedru ma bi no akopem no because so say agenda 111 no be wie 18 months na twema ma afe abeda so ba akokora wunwie ye enti abra wo kasa no na de na una isi so
o se man
meba onya no kre aduana ba o de yenim se man proposes God disposes also by 111 adentina 18 months na twema ma afe abeda so ba akokora wunwie ye na chasa ade no you they don't think through it properly. At the time of free education and NASA Ghana educational system no adie bia mu ye bia no mon tena se and where the short medium to long term consequences o mampanyina Kufuado adie bia wo ye bia ya de no de perfect na what dey aye da awu akọ ave adie a wo so be wie 18 months no wanwie wo se adie no kra wanya anye 111 ave de wo be ye 88 bibia bisi basa and o mampanyina Kufuado bibia bisi basa tantantan aduana ba na me Nsiah Asare a no na namo inspect agenda 111 no ye hwan ne capacity ne say ye de enim ne say ye see hospitals are the supervisory ministry is the Ministry of Health na Dr. Nsiah Asare on the Minister of Health or your presidential advisor on health that position ne kura your non-executive position and your position a wo front line a wukumebua since when you know it since when you who say presidential on advisor on health since when and you who say presidential advisor on health SC for me inspecting project wabra health minister wo ho wabra deputy health minister wo ho just a man way that's 10 good governance upside down. That's all mampanyina Kufuado ye born that she say were you ministers bebre. Enti na we nkofo bia omo ye ne advisors but omo status to say ministers. And yes sir capacity be na Nsiah Asare wo say ono na. And yes agenda 111 ni nyina hye na say. Hey, eni amade ye hu bi wo kroma o. Because capacity be na Nsiah Asare wo. Capacity by as presidential or send your OC can want some the as ade na hye ye Jeffrey Minister of Health hye na say and almost every
Minister of Health they are to just say they are not in charge of
that now. Good, but is it the right thing? Because Alanche Martin and someone in Kofor can say or no Ministry of Trade no ya done ni simpa panyin ye didi na say ade ye one district one factory no ye free na say ye de akosho bi ade bia ye yi bia no ye Ministry of Health Ministry of Education yes our Ghana educational system ni akoti free education secretariat bibia ye basana o man sika na ye di ni nyafu no man no ankasa bre o man ni si apele aduana ba na wahu asemo ane ye ka say o man panyina Kufuado ayesa oba onim so onche waware ase no oba Ashanti region no o man panyina mahama aye Formina Hospital no aye was started after military hospital was started Tepa and the way jai ni nyina kan nguram ye nwie yo de wo force be commission kra no Tepa na nsen ya ye tum